Hey folks, this is NixOS number 62. Talking about running macOS 10 on NixOS in a virtual machine, single command. This talkie script on the left-hand side here, thing that's titled NixOS 62, will be available in a link in the description. Matthew Crown has made it possible to get macOS Ventura installed within a virtual machine on a NixOS host with a single command in his NixThePlanet project. This is the command you could run. I did not run it, but we'll talk about it in a second. The way that this thing works under the hood is kind of demented and great. It downloads the macOS image and invokes a virtual machine in which the install image is run. And then every so often it screen scrapes the installer and it contacts the running virtual environment over VNC to drive the install process, and sends mouse movements, and it's just kind of crazy. It's crazy. It's really entertaining. As I said, personally, I did not use the command above. I actually added the NixThePlanet URL to my Flakes config, as I have it over here. And I caused, oh, sorry, not that one, caused the NixOS module that he provides in his flake.nix to be loaded via that line there. And once I did that, once I had all my ducks in a row as far as including the module, I was able to go into my configuration for this host here and put something like this in there: services macOS Ventura, enable equal true, and the other two options there, and then ran NixOS Rebuild in order for that to go. What I will show you here, I'm just going to run NixOS Rebuild real quick here. Rebuild switch, and I find this highly entertaining. Let's go here. I will open a new terminal, and once this thing gets going, I will show you why it's so entertaining to me. What it's doing here is building this QCOW2 file, which is the image. That is a what is it called? QEMU? KVM image? Whatever. And what it's doing, it's not quite there yet. It's getting there. I'll fast forward through this. Okay, I think it's actually at a place now where it's doing the demented thing that I mentioned. Let's see. Indeed. So it puts its sort of build status inside a /temp. I'm going to go take a look at it. The temp, blah, 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 blah. And every so often, it takes a screenshot. It takes a screenshot of the status of the VNC state, the actual, image of the screen. I was so entertained by this. And so he booted the installer image, and he's sort of driving the install of this thing, partitioning and everything via VNC, but only by capturing. I think it's a combination of expect and VNC capture, but much of it past this stage, I think, where we just have, normal macOS graphical prompts. I think it mostly uses VNC. So we can, this cap.png continually changes. We can see it going through. It's the process. Oh, I am so entertained by this. I love it. I love it. It is so demented. Oh, that is the best. Takes a while. It's not the fastest responder, but it works. Oh, okay. I don't know why I'm so entertained by that. Oh, but it is just gorgeous. Love it. Love it. So I'm going to stop this recording for now because it's going to take a little while. It takes maybe, I don't know, an hour or so on my system to fully build and be contactable. So I'll be back in a moment. While this is going, I just wanted to show you the code that's behind this. Oh, it's not in there. What did I do with it? I know where it is. It is over here. Okay. Let's see here. I gotta make this bigger. So first it gets something to fetch the ISO image, and it does some stuff to it. Then it makes an OCR, a script called Tesseract script, which every so often uses this VNC do thing to R capture a PNG, and it returns the text. I think here. No, that gets the PNG, and then we OCR the PNG to see what the text is on the page, if there is any. And if the text doesn't, if the text hasn't changed, then we do nothing. But if it has changed, then we maybe, I'm not sure if we continually write things that have been unchanged, but that's how it figures out where in the install process it is. And here we send keystrokes to QEMU. I don't even understand. I don't understand under which circumstances you send a keystroke through QEMU, or there's another one where we send it through VNC. I don't even understand. And then every so often you got to jiggle the mouse. You got to jiggle the mouse. You might go into screensaver. Got to do that. Of course. Oh, I'm so entertained by this. But this is an expect script for the text part of it. Oh man, it is just unbelievable. Unbelievable. Anyway, I'll stop this now until it finishes. I love it. All right. Now it's stopped. Let's see if we can contact it. We can get to it via VNC here. Use KRDC. Is it called KRDC? And we go to localhost. 5900 should get us there. There it is. Admin. It's admin. And now we are running macOS Ventura. Destination is far less important than journey. It's cool though. It's cool that it lets you run. NixThePlanet actually also lets you run various ancient Windows versions as well as DOS. I haven't tried that stuff yet, but I'm sure it works just as well. So, hope this helps somebody. Thanks for watching.